Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy calls and puts on Robinhood. First, ensure you have options trading enabled on your account. This involves a quick application process within the app, where Robinhood assesses your trading experience and financial situation. Once approved, you can access the options trading features directly from your account settings. This step is crucial to unlock the ability to trade these powerful financial instruments. A call option gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy an underlying stock at a predetermined price, called the strike price, before a set expiration date. You'd buy a call if you believe the stock's price will rise significantly above that strike price. For example, if a stock is at $50 and you buy a call with a $55 strike, you profit if the stock goes above $55 plus the premium paid. Remember, one contract typically controls 100 shares. Conversely, a put option gives you the right, but not the obligation, to sell an underlying asset at a specific strike price by a certain expiration date. Investors buy puts when they anticipate the stock's price will fall below the strike price. For instance, if a stock is at $50 and you buy a put with a $45 strike, you profit if the stock drops below $45 minus the premium. Puts can also act as insurance against a stock decline. To buy a call or put on Robinhood, first search for the desired stock. On its detail page, tap Trade and then Trade Options. You'll see an options chain where you can select an expiration date and a strike price. Decide if you want to buy a call or a put. When placing your order, consider using a limit order to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay per contract, as options prices can be volatile. Review your order carefully before submitting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.